Welcome to the science class, chapter 12, electricity and circuits. That is, today we are taking part 2. Now, till now, we have studied about how there are two terminals in electricity or electric cell also, and we have two terminals in the bulb also. Why do they have these two terminals? Today we will be discussing about this. A bulb connected to an electric cell. How a bulb is connected to an electric cell. Now, for this, I will ask you, like, we will take a one cell we will take one electric cell, and we will take two wires, electric wires. You must have seen electric wires. Let us take two electric wires of different color. It should not be of the same color, so that we can identify. We will remove a little, it is with a plastic covering, so we will remove a little plastic covering so that we can see the wire at the end. This would expose the metal wire at the end of each length. Fix the exposed part to of two wires to the cell, and the other, this is like you can see it here, we have fixed two wires to the two ends of the electricity cell, and then the other two to the electric bulb. See how we have attached it to the electric bulb. You can stick the wire to the bulb with the tape used for by electrician. You can use a tape to fix it, because otherwise it will be difficult for you. Use a rubber band or a tape to fix the wire to the cell. Now connect. Now what we have done, we have connected two wires to the electric cell and two wires to the electric bulb. Now connect the wire fixed to the bulb with those attached to the cell in 6 different ways, like we will show you. This is an if you see figure A, you can see the two wires are attached to the electric cell and two wires are attached to electric bulb. And now we have fixed the metal part together, and what do you see? You see the bulb is glowing. Now if you see the second arrangement, in B, you can see that the wire is not fixed, so the bulb is not glowing. So in figure C also, if you see, the bulb is not attached, the wires are not connected at one end, so again the bulb is not glowing. Now in figure D, you can see that the two wires of the bulb are attached to one side of the electric cell only. Again the bulb is not glowing. Same way, if you see the figure E, you will see again it is attached to the metal cap only, two wires, so the bulb is not glowing. In the last one, that is J, you can see the electric bulb again is attached to two terminals of electric cell and the two terminals of the bulb. Again it is glowing. Keeping the tip of your pencil near the terminal of the electric for now, you can see that why are these in some cases the bulb is not glowing, and in some cases the bulb is glowing. Why is it? The bulb glows for the arrangement in which you cannot move. Okay, that where the circuit is completing is basically where the bulb is glowing. In some cases the wire is broken, or it is attached to one terminal only, and so this thing is not, your bulb is not glowing. So let's talk about an electric circuit. Now in the activity that we have done, I have told you, it's shown you 6 figures. You have connected one terminal of electric cell to the other through wire passing to and fro from the electric bulb. Note, you have seen in some cases two terminals of electric cell were connected to two terminals of the bulb. Such an arrangement is an example of electric circuit where the circuit is complete. Okay, so the electric circuit provides a complete path for electricity to pass. It needs a complete path for electricity to flow. you need, if your wire is, you can see it in the figure, two terminals of electric bulb and two terminals of electric cell. When they are complete, the path of electricity to pass is complete, so the bulb is going, the current is passing, flowing, so it is a circuit. We call it a circuit where the current flows through it, and it is a basically a closed circuit. In an electricity, the direction of current is taken from positive to the negative terminal of the electric cell. You can see the arrows also shown here, which shows us the electric current is flowing from positive terminal towards the negative terminals. The terminal of the bulbs are connected with that of the electric cell by wires. The current passes through the filament of the bulb. This makes the bulb glow. Sometimes, if the filament is broken, we say that then the bulb will not glow. We say this happens if the bulb has fuse. You must have seen at home also, people must be telling in at your home also, an electric bulb has fuse due to many reasons. One reason for electric bulb to fuse is the break in the filament. The break in the filament of the electric bulb means the break in the path of the current between the terminals of the cell. See, the path is breaking. If the path is breaking anywhere, your current will not flow and you will not see the bulb glowing. So, can you now explain why the bulb did not glow when you tried to do the arrangement shown in figure B, C, D and E in your book also, page number 118? It is only because the path of the current is basically is broken, it is not complete, so that is why it is not glowing. This is all for today, and tomorrow